Jai Hind students, in this video I am discussing compartment July 2019 business studies question paper with marking scheme. Section A 1 mark question. Question number 1, give the meaning of functional structure. Answer will be functional structure is an organizational structure formed by grouping of jobs of similar nature under functions and organizing these major functions as separate departments like production, finance. Question number 2, distinguish between principles of management and techniques of management. The answer will be management principles are guidelines for managerial decision or actions, whereas management techniques are procedure or methods which involve a series of steps to accomplish desired goals. The question number 2 has two options. The next question is distinguish between time study and motion study. The answer will be time study is a technique used to measure the standard time, that is the time that may be taken by workmen of reasonable skill and efficiency to perform a specific job, whereas motion study is technique used to study movement of workers to eliminate unnecessary and wasteful movements. Question number 3, name the methods of training in which the trainee worker works under the guidelines of a master worker. The answer will be apprenticeship training. Or another question will be name the type of barriers of communication which refer to problem and obstructions in the process of encoding and decoding of message into words or impressions. The answer will be semantic barriers. The question number 4 is what is meant by branding, and the answer will be branding is a process of giving a name or a sign or a symbol to a product which helps in identifying and distinguishing it from competitor's product. Or what is meant by pricing? Pricing means to determine the price of a product or a service. Question number 5, Archana is a pure vegetarian. She went to popular food chain shop and asked for a packed veg biryani. While eating the same, she noticed that it had some non-vegetarian content. Neither the advertisement nor the label of package showed that the product has non-vegetarian content. Name the consumer right under which Archana can claim for compensation as per provisions of Consumer Protection Act 1986. The answer is right to seek redressal. The question number 6, technological upgradation affects one of the types of capital requirement of an organization. Identify the type of capital effect with reference to above statement. Answer is fixed capital. Question number 7, Raj and Riya were working in a different departments of Leo Infocom. One day at lunch time, Riya told Raj that due to recession, many people are going to retrenched soon from the organization. Name the type of communication that took place between Raj and Riya, and the answer is informal communication. The next question is Raj Auto Limited was engaged in manufacturing motorcycle. Its long-term objective was to capture the market by increasing sales every year. For this, it analyzed the pricing policy of the competitors. To achieve this objective, it decided to offer a discount of 3000 rupees and free insurance on purchase of every motorcycle. This attracted the consumers and the sales increased. Identify the type of plan being followed by Raj Auto Limited. And the answer is strategy. Now the 3-mark question has been asked in section B. State any 3 limitations of planning. The answer of is planning leads to rigidity because once a well-defined plan is drawn, the managers may not be in the position to change it. Second, planning may not work in the dynamic environment as the organization has to constantly adapt itself to change. Planning reduces creativity since planning tend to think on the same lines as others. Or other option, 9th number question, state any 3 points of importance of organizing. First, it leads to specialization by a systematic allocation of jobs resulting in reduced workload and enhanced productivity. It leads to clarity in working relations by specifying who is to report to whom. It leads to optimum utilization of resources by avoiding duplication of work and minimizing wastage of resources and efforts. Question number 10. Mayank, the director of a company, is planning to manufacture stuffed toys for utilizing waste material of one of his garment factories. He decided that this manufacturing unit will be set up in a rural area so that people living in rural area can have job opportunities. For this, he selected Arbaz, Kirti, Lata and Ritik as heads of sales, accounts, purchase and production departments respectively. They were differently abled but intelligent and creative persons in designing. State the next 3 steps Mayank has to follow in the staffing process after selecting heads of different departments. The answer will be the next 3 steps that Mayank has to follow in the staffing process after selecting heads of different departments are: placement and orientation. Placement refers to occupying of position by the employee for which he has been selected. Orientation refers to the introducing the selected employee to other employees and familiarizing him with the rules and policies of the organization. Training and development. Training is a process of increasing knowledge and skills to perform specific jobs. Development is the process of enabling the overall growth of the employees. Performance appraisal. Performance appraisal means evaluating an employee's current or past performance as against certain predetermined standards. Question number 11. Stock index measures the movement of price of securities at a stock exchange. Stock index reflect the day-to-day fluctuations in stock prices and are known as barometers of market behavior of securities. In the light of this statement, state any 3 functions of stock exchange. The answer will be function of stock exchange are: it provides liquidity and marketability to existing securities by allowing the investors a chance to disinvestment and reinvest. It determines price of securities on the basis of forces of demand and supply. It ensures safety of transactions as the transactions carried out with an existing legal framework. Or with other option, To promote orderly and healthy growth of securities market and production of investors, Securities and Exchange Board of India was set up. In the light of given statement, state any three regularities, functions of the Securities and Exchange Board of India. The answer will be regularity function of Securities and Exchange Board of India are: it registers brokers and sub-brokers and other players in the market. It registers collective investment schemes and mutual funds. It regulates stockbrokers, portfolio exchanges, underwriters and merchant bankers. Question number 12. Explain any 3 points of importance of decentralization. Answer will be importance of decentralization. First, develop initiative amongst subordinates. Second, develops managerial talent for the future. Third, help in quick decision making. Question number 13. Sunflang Iron Limited is manufacturing steel at its plant in India. It is enjoying increased demand for its steel as economic growth of the country is about 8%. It is planning to set up a new plant to avail the benefits of increased demand. It is estimated that it will require about 4,000 crore for setting up a plant and about 600 crores for other expansion to start a new plant. To collect the above mentioned funds, the sources to be used and quantity to be collected from different sources had to be considered. Identify the above discussed concept and give its meaning. The second part of the question is explain any two factors that affect the concept identified in A above. The answer is capital structure. It means the proportion of debt and equity used for financing the operations of the business, or we can say it refers to a mix between owner fund and borrowed fund. The answer of second part is following are the factors affecting the choice of capital structures are cash flow position, cost of debt. Now the section C for 4 marks. Question: Express Tours Limited is travel agency which book air tickets on commission basis. It takes 2 days for Express Tours to get the tickets from airport reservation counter and deliver the same to customers. During the last 1 year, there has been drastic decrease in the business and most of the customers have shifted to another travel agency, Shiva Tour and Travels, which provide tickets with half an hour through internet. Now the question is name and explain the dimensions of business environment that is being overlooked by Express Tours Limited. And second part is explain another dimensions of business environment other than that identified in A above. The answer is technological environment. It includes forces relating to scientific improvements and innovations which provide new ways of producing goods and services and new methods and techniques of operating a business. B part, another dimension of business environment. There are 4 other environments: social environment, political environment, economic environment, legal environment. You have to discuss only one. Question 15. Describe offer through prospectus and private placement as method of flotation of new issues in primary market. The answer is offer through prospectus. It is a method of floating new issues by inviting subscriptions from the public through issue of prospectus. It is one of the most popular method of raising funds by public companies. Second one is private placement. It refers to relevant of securities by a company to institutional investor and some selected individuals. It helps the company to raise capital more quickly than a public issue. This question is asked in the describing manner. The second option is describe treasury bill and call money as money market instruments. Treasury bill. It is an instrument issued by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of central government to meet its short-term requirement of funds. It is highly liquid, had an assured yield and negligible risk of default. Second one is call money. It is a method by which banks borrow from each other to be able to maintain the cash reserve ratio. It is repayable on demand with a maturity period of 1 day to 15 days. Question number 16. Aanchal purchased a food processing machine for rupees 3000 from Kajal Machinery Private Limited. She found that the machine was not working properly. Despite many complaints, the defect was not rectified by Kajal Machinery Private Limited. Identify the consumer right that has been violated by Kajal Machinery Private Limited. Suggest the appropriate forum where Aanchal can file her complaint. Can she appeal to Supreme Court? If she is not satisfied with the order of appropriate forum, give reason in support of your answer. The answer is right to be heard. For the B part, district forum. For the C part, she cannot appeal to the Supreme Court if she is not satisfied with the order of appropriate forum, as the claim exceeding 1 crore only are appealable before Supreme Court. Question number 17. Differentiate marketing and selling on any 4 bases. Answer. Difference between marketing and selling basis, meaning marketing means identify customer need and satisfying them, whereas selling means exchanging goods for money. Second basis, part of the process versus wider term. Marketing is a wider term and includes selling, whereas selling is a part of the process of marketing. Third basis, transfer of title versus satisfaction of customer needs. Marketing focus on achieving maximum satisfaction of customer needs, whereas selling focus on affecting transfer of title and possession of existing goods. Fourth basis, profit through maximizing sales versus customer satisfaction. Marketing aims at maximizing consumer satisfaction and thereby the profits of the firm, whereas selling aims at maximizing sales and thereby the profits of the firm. Or with other option, question number 17, differentiate between production concept and marketing concept of marketing on the basis of starting point, main focus, means, ends. On the basis starting point production concept, the marketing efforts start after the products produced in the factory, whereas marketing concept, the marketing concept efforts start from identifying of needs of the target market before product is produced in a factory. Main focus production concept, it focus on is on quantity produced, whereas marketing concept is focus is on satisfaction of customer needs. Means it usually available and affordability of product as a means to achieve the objective, whereas marketing concept, it uses integrated marketing as a means to achieve the objective, and its objective product concept objective is to earn profit through production volume, whereas marketing concept is to earn profit through customer satisfaction. The next question is, the managing director of Verma Chemicals Private Limited held a meeting of all the departmental managers. In the meeting, the managing director said that beside doing their current working efficiently, they also had to make themselves capable of shouldering more responsibility in future, as the company is going to add an additional product to its existing product line. For the realization of this objective, he invited suggestions from all department heads. The managing director proposed a plan on the basis of the suggestion received. All the departmental heads carried out the plan. Identify and give the meaning of the style of the leadership referred in the above para. Explain the other two styles of leadership. The answer will be democratic style of leadership has been adopted. It is a leadership style in which a leader develops action plan and take decisions in consultation with his subordinates. The other two leadership styles are autocratic style of leadership. It is a leadership style in which a leader gives order and expects his subordinates to obey those orders. There is only one way communication with the subordinates, only to act according to the command given by the manager. Laissez-faire style of leadership. Second one is, it is a leadership style in which a leaders give a high degree of independence to his followers to formulate their own objectives and way to achieve them. The leader does not believe in the use of power unless it is absolutely essential. Question number 19. MICO Automobiles Limited is engaged in manufacturing of auto parts for car manufacturing companies. The company enjoys good creditworthiness. It now wants to expand its business by investing in new plants and machinery. For this, it requires long-term finance. Ash, the finance manager of the company, advised the CEO of the company to raise funds by issuing equity share. It required huge flotation cost. To meet the expenses of flotation cost, the company decided to tap the money market. Name the money market instrument the company can use for meeting flotation cost. Differentiate between the money market and capital market on any three bases. Answer is a commercial paper for the A part. And difference between money and market and capital market on the basis of participants. Money market, the participants are RBI, financial institutions, banks, corporates. Whereas in a capital market, the participants are financial institutions, banks, corporates, foreign investors and retail investors. Second basis, instrument. Instruments traded are treasury bill, commercial paper, certificates of deposit, call money and commercial bill. Instruments traded are shares, debentures and bonds in capital market. Third basis, investment outlay. In money market, investment outlay is large, whereas in capital market, investment outlay is small. Now section D, 5-mark questions. Question number 20. Identify and state the techniques of sales promotion used by the marketer in the following cases. A free holiday package of rupees 5,000 on purchase of goods worth rupees 20,000. Payment of 1,60,000 for the purchase of bike can be made 40,000 immediately and balance in 20 equal installments of rupees 6,000 each. C. 30 grams extra soap in a cake of bathing soap. D. Get 4 GB memory card free with the Popo mobile phones. E. Lucky draw coupons for a car on purchase of petrol 2,500 from Indian Oil Corporation petrol pumps. This question has been asked in 2019 question paper. From 2020 onward, this portion has been deleted from the syllabus. But I include this question because if the question paper, I delete this question, so question paper is incomplete. The answer of this question is usable benefits. It is a technique of sales promotion in which a customer is given some benefits which has potential of being used. Second, B. Full financing. Full financing. It is a technique of sales promotion in which easy financing schemes are offered. C. Quantity gift. It is a technique of sales promotion in which extra quantity of product is offered to increase sales. D. Promotion combination. It is a technique of sales promotion in which another product is offered as a gift along with purchase of product. E. Lucky draw. It is a technique of sales promotion in which a draw is taken out on purchase of product and gifts is given to the winner. Question number 21. State any 5 impacts of government policy changes on business and industry. Answer. Impact of government policy changes on business and industry. First, competition has increased for Indian firms due to the entry of foreign firms. Second, customers have been more demanding as they have a wider choice. Third, technological environment is rapidly changing, creating tough challenges for smaller firms. Fourth, it has been necessary for enterprises to change and modifying their operations to cope up with the turbulent market forces. Fifth, there is a need for developing human resources as the new market condition requires people with higher competitions and greater commitment. It has another option in this question. Question. State any 5 points that highlighted the importance of management. Answer will be importance of management. First, it helps in achieving group goals by giving a common direction to individual effort. Second, it increases efficiency by reducing cost and increasing productivity. Third, it creates a dynamic organization by making the organization adapt itself to the changing environment. Fourth, it helps in achieving personal objectives by motivating and leading in such a way that both personal goals and organizational objectives are accomplished. Fifth, management helps in development of society by providing good quality products and services, creating employment opportunities and adopting new technology. Question number 22. Each employee of Bhumika Limited should manufacture 10 tables per day as per the terms of employment. All employees met the set target expect a few manufactured between 4-6 tables per day. The management took a decision to install closed circuit television CCTVs in the factory for monitoring the activities of the employees. Identify the managerial function discussed above. Explain the steps in the process of function identified in the above. The answer will be controlling. Steps in the process of functions identifying above are setting standards, measurement, actual performance and comparing actual performance with standards, analyzing deviations. In analyzing deviations, we have 2 points: critical point method and management by exceptions. The last step is taking corrective action. Now to come section E, question number for the 6 marks. Explain any 4 characteristics of planning. Characteristics of planning: focus on achieving objectives, primary functions of management, pervasive, continuous. The second option is explain the steps in the process of organizing functions of management. Answer will be: steps in process of organizing functions of management are: first, identifying and dividing the work. Second, departmentalization. Third, assignment of duties to job positions. Fourth, establishing reporting relationships. Question number 24. Mohan is working as a vice president in Ashoka Limited. He performs a separate and specialized function having many aspects of human relations. His job is closely linked with organizing since after the structure and positions have been decided, people are required to work in these positions. His function is seen as generic function of management. When he performs his duties, his role is slightly limited. Identify and explain the meaning of functions being performed by Mohan as a vice president of Ashoka Limited. The function performed by Mohan benefits the organization in many ways. State any 5 such benefits. The answer is staffing. It is the process of filling and keeping filled the position in the organizational structure. Benefits of staffing: it helps in discovering and obtaining competent personnel for various jobs. It results in improved performance by putting right person on the right job. It ensures continuous survival and growth of the enterprise through the succession planning for managers. Fourth, it ensures optimum utilization of human resources. It avoids disruption of working by indicating in advance the shortage of personnel. Fifth, it improves job satisfaction and morale of employees through objective assessment and fair reward for their contribution. Question number 25. Fewell and Taylor both have contributed immensely to the knowledge of the management, which has become a basis for further practice by managers. Taylor thought that by scientifically analysis would be possible to find one best way to do it. He is most remembered for his time and motion studies and functional foremanship. He said that the best result would come from the partnership between a trained and qualified management and a cooperative and innovative workforce. Fewell explained what amount to be managers' work and what principles should be followed in doing this work. In the light of above, differentiate between contribution of Taylor and Fewell on the basis of perspective, unity of command, focus, expression, applicability, basis of formation. This is a new type question after a long time has been asked by CBSE. You please go through this question very carefully. Difference between the contribution of Taylor and Fewell. On the basis of perspective, Taylor perspective was on the shop floor level of the factory, whereas Fewell perspective was on the top level of management. Unity of command. Taylor did not feel that it is important as under functional foremanship a worker received order from 8 specialists. Fewell was a staunch proponent of unity of command. Basis of formation. Principles given by Taylor were based on observation and experiment, whereas fuel principles were based on his personal experience. On the basis of focus, Taylor focused on increasing productivity of workers, whereas Fuel focused on improving overall administration. On the basis of expression, Taylor used the expression scientific management, Fuel used the expression general theory of administration. Applicability: Taylor principles are applicable to specialized situations, whereas Fuel principles are applicable universally. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so you get update about my new videos. Be prepared for the examination and best of luck for your examination. Thank you.